I'm Shelley Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to sew a super simple felt top that's designed to fit Creatable World dolls and many other 9 or 10-inch dolls, any dolls in this size range that have a similar body style. Before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download this free printable PDF sewing pattern. Use the sewing pattern to cut out all the pieces shown. Lay one of the backs on top of the front. Stitch across the shoulder area like you see me doing in this video clip. Here's a close-up of the stitches. Now lay the other back on top of the front and stitch across this shoulder area just like you did the other one. Now your shirt should look like this. Lay the shirt out flat on your ironing board and press the shoulder seams open. Lay one of the backs back on top of the front just like you had it before, and stitch from the underarm area down the side to the bottom of the shirt. Here's a closer look at the seam we just finished. Lay the other back on top of the front and stitch this side seam just like the other one. Here's a closer look at those stitches. Invert your garment, in other words, turn it right side out. Now once you've inverted your garment, you're going to want to sew some snaps down the back, and I have another tutorial for that. Look in the links below this video on YouTube in the description area. So we're going to sew a series of snaps down the back, and now you're ready to try the shirt on your doll. For more free printable sewing patterns to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, please remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you do enjoy my videos and my free patterns, please share them on social media. It actually helps my website grow when you help spread the word.